Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Saint Line Edition. This sleek black hatchback is not just a pretty face. With a 1-litre engine and petrol-electric fuel type, it's as efficient as it is stylish. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and safety features like Bluetooth, cruise control, multiple airbags, anti-collision system, and more, this car has everything you need for a smooth and secure ride. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can have peace of mind knowing you're in good hands. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information.